What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this 1969 Chevy Camaro from Fast and Furious premium set, and I am very excited for this one. Actually my grandma found this one and she picked it up, and I really like this one. If you guys know, I've talked about it somewhat in some of my videos. I'm a big fan of like the 60s Camaros. Like there's a 68 from Hot Wheels, there's a 67 from M2, so I'm going to be unboxing this soon with the whole main line of Super set for 2023, and then I might unbox this soon. That's a really nice M2 piece. But yeah, I'm really excited to get this out of the box. I think they did a great job on it, so let's get into it. There we go. It's out, and it comes with a little piece of plastic there. I don't know, I guess that's to protect it from banging around or something, but there's that. And here is the car. I really like the way that they did the wheels. Now, I think it looks pretty realistic for this car. How it's like tuned a bit. I think it looks really good in the front. Now there's a little bug crawling on here. Oh, now he's not crawling there anymore. But yeah, I think that they did a great job on the wheels. Like the wheel selection, out of all the colors and out of all the different types that they could choose, this was definitely one that matches it correctly. But yeah, I like the color, the stripe on the hood, metal chassis, rubber wheels, nice premium. I think it's great. We'll throw it on the turntable, and I hope you guys stay to the end of my videos, because I'm going to start putting in like these showcase photos of each car. So if you guys stay after the turntable, you will see different angles of the car from like different photos, close-ups and stuff, so you could get some really high detailed photos. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Stay here for that. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.